CBSE Class 10 area related to circle exercise 11.1 question number 4. The chord AB of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtended at right angle at center 90 degree. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment below of chord AB and also find the major sector. Difference between sector and the segment. This is a circle of radius 2 radius is divided the circle to sector. This is minor sector, this is major sector, and also theta is the angle. This is a circle. Chord is divides this circle into two parts. This is the major segment and the minor segment. Area of the minor segment is equal to area of the minor sector subtract area of the triangle AOB. This is a triangle AOB. So area of the minor sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r squared minus half into b into h, area of the triangle. So 90, theta is 90 by 360 into 3.14 into 10 into 10 minus half into 10 into 10. 10 is the radius. So 90 by 360, 0 are cancelled, 9, 1 9s are 9, 4 9s are 36, then 10 by 2 is equal to 5, then 4, 2 2s are 4, then 5 2s are 10, 10 by 2 is equal to 5, then balance equation 3.14 into 5 into 5, 3.14 into 5 into 5 minus 5 into 10. 3.14 into 5 into 5 is equal to 78.50 minus 50, 5 into 10. So subtract 28.50. This is the area of the minor segment below of chord AB. The area of the minor segment 28.50 centimeter squared. Then next find out the major sector. Area of the major sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r squared. This theta is equal to here 270, 360 minus 90. This is the theta of the angle of the major sector. So equating the equation 270 by 360 into 3.14 into 10 squared, 10 into 10. This is the radius. So 0 cancel. 3 9s are 27, 4 9s are 36. Then 3 into next step 3 into 3.14 into 10 into 10 by 4 by 4. Then 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10, then 5 2s are 10, then balance 3 into 3.14 into 5 into 5, 3 into 3.14 into 5 into 5. 3.14 into 5 into 5 is equal to 78.50, 78.50. So 3 into 78.50 then is equal to 235.50. This is the area of the major sector. Area of the major sector is 235.50 centimeter squared.